welcome or welcome back. You all, welcome to Jamaica. If you clicked on this video, I want to thank you. I appreciate your support. Enjoy this Jamaican video. I was having the time of my life. Okay, so real quick. Let's talk about the swimsuit. So I have a cover and then just a black swimsuit that I picked up from the Goodwill. I had to do a swimsuit check so you all could see what I was wearing. Got my head wrap. I got my, hey y'all. So I got my earrings matching my wrap and my swim cover. All right, so welcome and enjoy. Guys, this is day 4. No, day 3. I went today Saturday. I got here on Wednesday. Look at this. We were in the water. It felt so good. It was nice and warm. This rain is now coming down. I want to get out there in the rain in it, but I have my vlogging camera and I don't want to get it wet. Actually, never mind, because the thunder and lightning is so volatile, I don't want to get struck. Look at that. I'm gonna flip this camera so you all can see, okay? Nice. Oh, look at the waves. Whoa. Y'all, I'm back in this water. Remember today, been here since Wednesday. Today is Saturday. Y'all, it was raining hard. Okay, here, thunder and lightning again. It started pouring down, so I had to get out because I didn't want to wet my vlogging camera up. Although now I'm using my phone. Ooh, who would not want to be here right now? And the waves got crazy. Look at all the clouds. Y'all see the, look at that. Oh, my earring is turned too. Oh my goodness. Don't get this water in your mouth. It is salty. It's real salty. I had something by accident. Look. It's super salty. I'm getting close to the buoys. I better back this thing up. Hello. Woo. Okay, I'm getting too close. I don't want to wet my phone. Go out there too deep and wet my phone up. Y'all, this is so pretty. Look at it. What more can you ask for? Oh my goodness. And the water's twirling me around. Oh, I can just travel by myself any day now. After traveling by myself in January, it's starting to rain harder. That was the best trip. I can do this solo and not be scared to stay by myself at night. As long as I feel like I'm in a place that's where I feel safe, I can do this solo. Look how clear that is. You can see my nails. You good? Ooh, that is so pretty. So guys, it's so loud. I don't want to get copyrighted. I ordered some red snapper. So I'm going to get steamed fish, and then I'm going to show you guys the actual menu of what I get. Sanitizing my hands now. So get ready. I'll show you guys in just a bit what I get. I'm at Travelers Beach Resort in the Grove, Jamaica. Hang tight. See you guys soon. Okay guys, so this is my food. I got snapper filet with mashed potatoes, and then there's veggies right here as well. So hopefully you guys can see good. Other than that, I can turn on my lights. Just give me a minute. That looks so good. Ooh, it's dark. You guys cannot see. Let me find my flash. Guys, it's dark. I don't know where my flash is at. Hold on. It's dark. You can barely see me. Just walking from the food place of a bar and a restaurant. You guys just seen that. So, walking. Listen to nature. I did this last night. Listen to nature. How could you not love this sound? This is so me. I mean nature. I mean God's creation. I mean all natural, right? I mean, when you wake up to this and go to bed to this, if I can do this in the States, it would be great. In Jamaica, it's the mosquitoes and the humidity that I don't like, but I like it here. Woo hoo hoo. Now see, it's dark, you know, and I can't see, so see, I almost fell. But anyway, I just bought some painting, so I have to go back to the room to get some more money so I can pay for my food. Listen again. You just hear it. Beautiful, right? How could you trade this life? I don't know, but you know, to each his own. There's no elevators, so I'll tell you what, since there's no elevators, you do want to get a first floor. If you can't handle the stairs, you got bad knee, or what, just whatever your situation is. Ooh, Lord. I'm out of shape. That's all this is saying. I done sprayed so much off on me. These mosquitoes is done with me for tonight. I haven't got bit one time. When I come to Jamaica, I get bit so much. So much. Now before I go in the room, this is what I do. Just in case there's any mosquitoes on the door. I'm not trying to let any in the room. Anyway, whew, let's get this money, turn on the light, get this money, and go back down, because that's all I came up for. But anyway, you guys, tonight, that's it. I'm gonna go pay the bartender, and that's really probably it for tonight, really. I'm gonna cap this video, most likely. I'm having a fabulous time. What you guys will probably see is different not segments, but different vlogs, like 15-minute increments. So I do not bore you guys. Like to me, I'm not a big enough YouTuber to have an hour and something video. Who's gonna watch it? Nowadays, people want a quick video, like a short. So I keep mine simple, like 15 minutes. And for me, since I'm not a big YouTuber, that's usually about enough. But anyway, all the ones who support, I thank you so much. And oh, this air feels so good. Anyway, this air feels good. So let me stop rambling. I'm gonna go. You guys remember that this girl loves color, bright colors to be exact. And other than that, this girl has gotta go. That's in Jamaica, that's having the time of her life. Bye, guys.